Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and something interesting that is happening. So we all know that the Android subsystem for Windows, or the Windows subsystem for Android, I should say, is moving away. We know that the Amazon App Store is also fading away. So basically, this is known since the month of March, when they decided that all of this will be deprecated and removed. Now, what's funny about this is that in China, the experiment is going to continue, as there's going to be a Tencent store, which is the Tencent company that makes devices and Android phones, and they will have an app store for Android. And that app store for Android will be running, I guess, the Windows subsystem, since that's how we've been running the different Android apps. Now, if you are to do so on, in China, I get the fact that the reason they're shutting it down here is that they were unable to make a profit and have it work. And I totally understand that, the idea behind systems like this are to try to increase revenue. That's the way it works. But still, it's interesting that they're trying that same experiment in China now. I wonder if they're going to be, better there. Is it going to work better? Is it going to be more popular? I don't know. But there will be definitely a store, a Tencent store there. There will be apps that will be in that store through, of course, the Microsoft Store. And hopefully we'll see what happens there. But it's still sad to have it gone here. Of course, there's different Android emulators that you can install, like BlueStacks, which is one of them, and still continue using your apps, your Android apps, on Windows 11 and even Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.